Good morning again, guys. It's another day for us here in Canada. And today we're going to
Jollibee.
Montreal. Yeah,
Jollibee.
yeah. Pupunta kami ng Montreal at kakain kami sa sikat na smoked meat. So,
Jollibee.
Jollibee gusto niya, guys. So, sabi ng asawa ko, pag pumupunta daw sila dito sa Canada, hindi pwedeng hindi sila pumunta doon sa
Hindi
smoked
pwedeng
meat.
ma-miss.
Hindi pwedeng ma-miss yung smoked meat, guys. So, yun, may experience ko na. Pang-ilang months sa Canadahan?
5.
Pang-5 beses na ng asawa ko dito sa Canada. Pang 12 times naman sa US. Ayun, na-experience ko na yung mga ginagawa niya dito. And ngayon nga, kakain kami ng smoked meat. So guys, nandito na kami sa smoked meat. Ayun guys, so sikat na to dito, guys. Malayo to, guys. 2 hours yung binyahe namin galing sa sa Ottawa, papunta dito para lang matikman namin yung smoked meat. Medyo mainit dito, guys, ha?
Renovation, I didn't know because
Oh,
we're
my.
from Ottawa.
Oh, sorry, honey. I had it on the website.
What did you say? March
9.
9?
Yes,
Sad to say, under renovation ang sikat na smoked meat dun sa Montreal, guys. So guys, since sarado yung sikat na smoked meat dun sa kabila, nagpunta kami dito sa Chenoise.
Used to own by si Celine Dion.
Oh!
Yun ang mimi-ari nun. Yung mimi-ari nun, yung European, alone with no family. Nung namatay siya, ipinamana niya sa mga tauhan niya. After a few years, isa sa cook nila, ibinenta kay Celine Dion yung kanyang right.
Yung pinuntahan po natin kanina?
Yung pinuntahan natin kanina,
Wow.
ngayon under renovation sila.
Wow!
Kaya eto, gumagaya din. So, it's good too. Pero hindi kasing sarap ng pit.
Kanina.
Okay, let's go.
Sige po. Wow! Here's the order, guys. The fries.
Here is good.
Mukha naman, itsura pa lang.
if I'm going to give you my credit card right
Ketchup,
away, you're
I
gonna
can
charge
eat
my
it.
Kendra's favorite. Yay!
Meron pa lang kaya.
in 2 hours. Because my brother is here too. We are
Kaya pa sila.
400.
Another plate, please.
Another small one?
Yeah.
This is the sandwich, didn't you?
No, like for Alex.
Pass it down to the madam?
She fold the sandwich over it.
Smoked meat para tawag dito.
Titingasan mo na lang ito. Gabi ko. Hindi. Ay, hindi ko.
May ayaw naman lumusot eh. My household, this that Alex is asking.
This is much better. This is the real
Gusto niyo po.
Mataba nga. Mataba. Nilagyan ko asin. Spaghetti? No, never mind. Matabang. Tinimplahan ko lang. The card right away. I said, what? I think
Ano ba nilagay dyan?
once
Para just for the for quick.
Ang dami niya.
Ang dapat ko, nasabi ko na, regular ng Montreal smoke meat.
tissue dyan, kita mo itong babae ito. Alin, pinagtan. Tighted please.
Times na pinapalitan sa Pinas, pero hindi lag.
Used to be the same owner, now they switched, but we're still using the name.
But why's not working?
So guys, tapos na kami kumain ng smoked meat. Yay! Masarap siya guys. So, ang daming french fries take out ko para sa aking baby girl. So, tara na guys. Look at the snow.
Naging parang bundok na lang yung snow rito. Naitabi na nila.
May dumi na, oh. Ang kapal-kapal, oh. Tapos madumi siya. Ayan. Hello guys! So, pagtapos namin magkumain ng smoked meat, nandito kami sa bahay ng anak ni Tito Jai. So, itutour ko kayo guys. Tara, let's go! Ito yung door nila guys. Main door. Ayun yung labas guys. So, nag-yellow pa, oh. So, ito yung pinaka-ano nila. Ayun yung mga shoes namin. And then, hindi ko alam kung ano to dito guys eh. Ayan. I'll show you the living room guys. Wow! Napakaganda ng bahay. Grabe. Tingnan niyo yung living room nila. Wow! Tingnan niyo. Ganda no? Wow! Ganda. Ito yung dining nila oh. And the living room is very nice. Wow! Wow. Ayan, this is the kitchen guys. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kaganda. Tingnan niyo yung ano, oh, ref nila, ang laki oh. Wow. Yes.
Tignan mo to.
Wait lang po.
This is the breakfast nook.
Anong tawag din?
Dito, kapag ka ikay tinatamad, yung mga tao, halimbawa naghuhugas ka ng pinggan, madumi yung kamay mo. Ayaw mong hawakan to para hindi siya masyadong oily yung kamay mo. Ayaw mong madumihan. So you just do this. Napahiya tuloy ako.
Oh, wow! Automatic!
Tapos ka na, madumi pa rin ang kamay mo. Ganun mo lang, titigil mo siya.
Oh my
Hindi siya
God.
madudumihan.
Hindi na
Hindi naman screen yan.
No.
Oh, oh! Galing!
That's high-tech.
Wow, grabe.
Touchless.
Wow, grabe. Grabe guys, oh. Oh? Oh, kahit saan mo siya i-touch guys, oh. Oh, diba? Wow, very wow. Tito John, very high-tech. And this is Christian. She's the owner of the house.
Ito si Chris. Pakita mo yung ginawa ni Chris. Yan si Chris, magaling mag-bake. Nag-aral siya ng baking some time ago. But although, siya pharmacist, panay sa gamot. Kaya siya nag-aasikaso ng aking gamot. Doctor's appointment, everything like that. I'm relying on him. 100%. Magaling mag-bake. Kapag ako nagpupunta rito, alam niyo, mahilig ako sa muffin. Look at this. Right there.
Wow!
Napakasarap niyan. Ano yan? Sarili niyang gawa yan. Siya alam mo kung saan masarap ito?
Yeah, sa kape.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee or tea kung mahilig ka. Masarap. Masarap. Kung gusto nyo. But next time, kakain tayo dito. Bibigyan ko kayo. Okay? No, let's go upstairs or downstairs? Meros,
Yes.
we're going downstairs or upstairs?
Where would you like to go first? You decide.
Where do you want to go?
Oh,
Upstairs?
just tap it.
Maybe down.
Downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, sundan nyo lang ako. Let's go. And then show me
Show
the...
Papa John downstairs.
This is their basement.
Basement. Ito.
Mga sarili na pala nila. Mga sarili.
May
Nakita mo na?
Ano nila to? May kanya-kanya na sila. Meron din
I'm happy. Happy. Kasi alam mo, ang happy dito, #1 sports yan dito sa Canada. Kaya itong mga bata, yan ang gusto nila. Pati popcorn libre na. Saka ako, beer. Doon. Merong popcorn. Papakita ko yung popcorn machine. Papakita ko. Pakita ko yung popcorn. Meron siyang popcorn machine. Para sa kanya. Pero sa akin, ito.
Wow! May mineral pa sa baba.
Wow! Contento.
Wow!
Wow! Pag bukas mo, ang ilaw na.
Wow!
Si Kendra, baka gusto niya nito.
Ano?
Iced tea. Kasi ang kabutihan sa iced tea, pag uminom ka nito, hindi ka maggagas dahil walang lactose. Kaya pag walang lactose, hindi ka magkakabag. Alam mo yung kabag, yung acid, hindi accepted yun eh. Kaya pinakamagaling, ito inimin mo, or kung masyado matapang, dagdagan mo ng tubig. Yung music background, yan ang favorite ko. Sung and composed by Julio Iglesias, entitled Manuela. Fire.
This is the boys' wash.
There you go.
Brother, you should.
Wow!
Yeah, I'm gonna put him on YouTube.
The boys' bathroom. This is the master's bedroom, guys. Wow! Wow!
Puro sonors talaga yung gamit nito.
Wow! It's automatic also. This is the bathroom. Wow!
You ordered that.
Yeah.
How big? Same.
Laki, guys.
This one's
Grabe.
gonna be like, this is what I ordered for my
Ayun,
dad. This one
bathtub nila.
the smallest one.
This is the shower.
And then how is the sound?
Oh, it's excellent.
Napakaganda. Carpeted siya. This is the boys' room. Yeah, it's very big. Wow, you know how to play? Can I include it? Okay? Tell me. Wow. Wow. And it's the other boys' room.
It's pretend. She doesn't like it though. Fair enough.
There's a snake, anak. Yes. You have a very nice room. Wow. Oh.
This is also Wi-Fi too.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, so when it's done, we get notified on our phones when the wash is done.
Wow.
So you don't leave clothes in the wet clothes in the
Wow.
washer. Right?
Very high tech.
Yeah.
It's LG. And this is the office, guys. The office is very big. And this is their walk-in closet, guys. Di na ako papasok kasi nakakahiya. One more. Wow!
Mga lalaki, durog kat bahay talaga. No? Durog bahay talaga. Maging yun, tawag dito. Ito na may ginagawa.
Oh! Nahihirapan ako kung Nahihirapan ako itanong kung ano yung English ng binili niyo ba to na ganito na o pinagawa niyo to. Ang English ko doon is, did you buy this like this or it is made to order? Ganda ng bahay nila, grabe. Amazing. Wow. Wow. Sarap.
Ito ang wedding ni Janice sa ni Christian. Yung pisa ni Laila, Janice. ano, Prime Minister ng Orleans,
Mitch,
kapatid
tell
ni
me, what do you
Gary.
need me to do? It's okay, just come over. Okay, no problem. I come over. Finally, I'm gonna get to do some best man duties here. Help him out. An incredible night. We just want to say a special thank you. We want to tell you that we love you.